This is a Yoga Nidra guided relaxation practice. Relaxation is a powerful, healthy habit that is often overlooked in our busy modern world. I've combined this interactive practice with scenes from the Pirin National Forest in the mountains of Bulgaria. Experiencing nature is another healthy habit that can be difficult to achieve for anyone living in cities or even suburbia. It's not quite enough to see nature on the screen, but it's more soothing than drama or news. Use this Yoga Nidra practice to calm your mind and your body. And if you can, lie down in a comfortable place. Put a pillow under your head and a cushion under your knees. Perhaps you would like to cover yourself with a blanket. Take the time you need to really get everything just exactly perfect. This may mean wiggling around a little bit, adjusting your hips to settle in. Move your head back and forth to find the position where it can feel the best. Really nestle yourself into the bed or the couch, wherever you're going to be enjoying this Yoga Nidra. Biohackers call Yoga Nidra non-sleep deep rest, and it can be as effective as a nap. What we're doing here is making rest a habit, and that involves practice. By following my instructions in this video, you can train yourself to relax. That will help you calm your mind and fall asleep faster. You may be someone who fears that naps can impact your already challenged sleeping habits, but Yoga Nidra, which dates back hundreds of years, is a tradition that encourages you to enjoy this space between wakefulness and sleep. It is rest, simply rest. And this is the opposite of the busybody experience that most people habitualize in their day. So many people rush from one activity to the next, checking things off the to-do list, chasing the feeling of accomplishment as a means to proving their worth. But your worth is in your being, not in your doing. So now, just be. I encourage you to use this video in two ways. You can watch the screen and enjoy nature, and if you can practice resting, you can also close down your eyes and simply listen to my voice. Give yourself this time to calm your nervous system. Give yourself this time to rest. You will be more productive and happier during whatever task is next on your schedule. But put whatever that is aside for now. Commit to rest. So let's start by focusing on the breath. No need to change anything. Just notice your breath. This is the baseline. This is where you are starting your Yoga Nidra practice today. Today will be different from every other time you return to this video. Don't judge today. Try not to create labels about your current state of being. Just notice how you feel. Feel your body now, just at the beginning. Take note of your mind. Just notice. There's nothing good or bad here. It just is. Notice what is. It's not always easy to slow down and rest if you haven't made relaxation a habit. You may notice your mind wandering into the future of things you should be doing. You may notice your mind lingering in the past to analyze events that already happened. But the past is gone. It no longer exists. And the future is simply a fantasy. We have no idea what will occur after we complete this practice. So put those thoughts aside and simply breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Imagine you are lying on a bed of soft pine needles on the forest floor. It is warm in this forest. The sun's rays shine through the branches and needles high above. Clouds pass by in the sky. You can hear water passing over rocks, bubbling somewhere nearby. There is a gentle breeze sweeping over your skin. You are safe here. Take a deep breath in and a slow, long breath out. Again, a deep breath in and a slow, long breath out. Commit to resting now. I will say a body part, and I want you, in your mind's eye, to imagine that body part fully relaxed. We'll start with your right toes. Relax your right toes. The bottom of your right foot. Relax the sole of your right foot. Your heel. Rest your heel. Your entire right foot. Rest your right foot. Your right ankle. Feel it fully relax. The right calf and lower leg. Your right knee. Feel it rest. Your right thigh and upper part of your right leg. Feel your entire right leg and foot fully relax. Now your left toes. Relax your left toes. The bottom of your left foot. Relax the sole of your left foot. Your heel. Rest your heel. Your entire left foot. Rest your left foot. Your left ankle. Feel it fully relax. The left calf and lower leg. Your left knee. Feel it rest. Your left thigh and upper part of your left leg. Feel your entire left leg and foot fully relax. Rest your pelvis area. Let it soften completely. Rest your right hip and glute region. Now, relax your left hip and glute region. Let your belly be soft. Feel the entire bottom half of your body completely relaxed. Relax your lower back and your middle back. Your waist and your rib cage. Just soften this area with your mind's eye. Soften your heart. Now, your right fingers. Feel them fully relax. Your right palm. Your entire right hand. Rest your right hand. Your right wrist and your right forearm. Feel this area be heavy and relaxed. Your right elbow. Your right bicep and upper arm area. Soften your right shoulder. And now, your left fingers. Feel them fully relax. Your left palm. Your entire left hand. Rest your left hand. Your left wrist and your left forearm. Feel this area be heavy and relaxed. Your left elbow. Your left bicep and upper arm area. Soften your left shoulder. Feel your chest light and relaxed. Let your upper back soften now. Your neck, the front of your neck, the back of your neck, the sides of your neck, all relaxed. Your jaw softens. Remove the tongue from the upper palate and let it rest in the mouth. Your cheeks relax. Your ears relax. Feel your eyeballs float in the sockets. Relax your brow. Relax the skull, the sides of the skull, the back of the skull, the crown. Feel the entire upper half of your body fully relax and release. Feel the entire body completely relaxed. Feel the entire body completely relaxed. completely relaxed. Take a mental note of how your body feels now. Know that you can always return to this feeling at any time throughout the day. But for now, just rest. Rest. Again, breathe in deeply and breathe out fully. Feel the air moving into your body. Feel the air moving out of your body. Notice the feeling of relaxation in your mind now. This is the power of rest as a healthy habit. Rest here as long as you'd like, taking your time to return to your day only when you are ready.